Hey folks, it's JT and Joanne. Look who's fishing over there. Say hi, Joe.
Hello.
We're down at the Pay Lake here. Hey Donny, say hello. Catch anything? You got one on, yeah? Awesome. It's kind of a neat place, people. You pay a fee, you come here to fish for 4 hours, certain amount of fish. And they have tag fishing here. And if you catch them, you win money. So I'm counting on my wife over there to make me some money tonight and catch some big fish. Now to show you how far I am from my truck. Well, thanks for watching, folks. God bless you all.